towards the beach. This is our porch. This is all night. As far as you can see. Looks like some of our steps down to the beach are washing away. Right up here, close to these plants, is where the beach is supposed to be. Looks like the waves are breaking on the beach. I think we're in for some severe beach erosion. I can see some little poles down there. They're supposed to be the end of the steps. It is very windy. The man I love blowing away. They've got steps telling you not to go on the beach. You can see where the steps are falling away. Duct tape is keeping us off. Looks like steps are falling away over there. As far as you can see, waves, sir. Waves, sir. It's very windy. It's not a good hair day.